One of the big driving forces, of course, is cost. If we look at just the estimate, and these are the numbers directly off of the OU site, estimated cost for attending OU, tuition and fees, for a resident, $8,700, textbooks, $1,200. About 12% of the total cost of attending University of Oklahoma. May not seem that significant, but 12% is 12%. And when we're talking about increases of 8.1% over 1 year, this 12% can continue to increase. If we look at not just the average, but if we look at a specific example, and since I'm a faculty member as well, I'll pick on my class. Organic chemistry, the estimated cost for organic chemistry, it's a 3-hour course, so that's $845. If we look at the textbook, a new textbook is $252. So for this science class, is 23% of the students' tuition and fees for this course is the textbook. I mean, outside of the tuition and fees. Now that's the new textbook. Well, there has to be simpler options. It turns out that the publishers have been increasing the number of options. We've got rentals, we've got digital, we've got used. They can even now get loose leaf texts, several different options. If we look at all of the options, we see that the new textbook is $252, and we get a whopping savings down to $189 for the used book. Still an extreme cost. Now, if we compare this, the last textbook we had at the last edition, new cost, just 2 years ago, was $182. So in 2 years, we've gone from $182 to $252. And you can see here the cheapest option is the digital format. Now, the digital format does not cost the publisher or anyone any transportation or printing. It's just the resource, right? And it's $90. And there's some recent studies that are showing that students are not opposed to electronic course material per se. It's just that they don't see the value in it. They don't see the value in spending $90 for the electronic course material whenever that just comes across in line, right? So it's not a question of them wanting or not wanting it. It's a question of them looking at the value. In some cases, they choose the paper copy because they see more value in actually having something they can hold. Okay.